Hi everyone, welcome to chemistry class with Kids once more. Okay, so here is another question from past question. Balance the following nuclear reactions and identify X and Y. So this is a nuclear equation. It's a nuclear reaction. This is another one. This one is polonium having atomic number of 84, mass number of 212. This is lead having 82 atomic number, mass number of 208, and then giving this. Then this one, this is calcium having atomic number of 55, mass number of 137, and then giving us barium with atomic number of 56, mass number of 137 plus Y. And we are asked to identify this and this. How do we identify it? Since we have 84 here, 84 minus 82 will give you what? 2. So here is 2. 212 minus 208 will give us what? 4. So they say we should identify X and Y. So this is X having atomic number of 2, mass number of 4. That means this X is alpha particle. And the alpha particle, this is symbol for alpha particle, always represented with helium 2, 4. So this is our answer. Our S is what? Alpha particle, helium 4 and 2. Then for this second one, they are having 55 and 56. So to get this, that means here is minus 1. This is what? Minus 1. And here we have 137, 137. 137 minus 137 is what? 0. So with this Y is beta particle. And beta particle is always represented with electron, minus 1, 0. So we are asked to identify S and Y. So our S is what? Helium 2, 4. And our Y is what? Beta particle. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please follow Chemistry with Peace for more interesting chemistry lessons. Thanks and God bless you. Bye.